Every so often, there's a calling to leave, to slip past the concrete jungle and journey to my place of freedom and peace. It's when the dog walks up to greet me that a magical thing happens. The trail begins to breathe. Every path worth taking has its rough edges. It's as if struggle and joy need each other. Together, like lovers, they become the heartbeat. The cool mountain water, the fresh air, the soothing tones. I slip into my Netherland. No rules, no obligations, no pressure to smile, no fear to cry. And as I lay down, stretch my back, and look into the sky, I drift away like the smoke of a fire. Welcome to my secret waterfall.